So in this MacBook tutorial video, I will be showing you how to edit the MacBook color profile here on the MacBook. So once you guys are into the system settings, it's going to look like this. I want you guys to scroll up a little bit here to where it says displays, and then go ahead and press displays right here. Once you're on the displays right here, there's a bunch of different options, but if you want to edit the color profile, go to where it says color profile right here, then go ahead and select this. So once you're on this screen right here, I can just go ahead and show you in the bottom right. There's a bunch of different profiles you can select. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave mine on color LCD, but you can scroll down and change it to whatever you want. So if you wanted to go to this one right here, you can go ahead and do that. You can move it back up, whatever the case may be, and you can sort of adjust the color profile this way on Mac. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how to edit the MacBook color profile on a MacBook. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.